Today we're going to make some of the best jerk chicken. I'm at the supermarket, I've just picked up some chicken thighs. I'm going to pair mine with some coleslaw. Next, as usual, I'll wash the chicken. The biggest question I get asked is, what's in your jerk marinade? Well, for us it's thyme, lime, a bit of scotch bonnet or habanero chili, allspice, ginger, garlic, a bit of gluten-free soy and a bit of molasses for sweetness. And the great thing about our marinade, everything's in the bottle. So add the marinade to the chicken and make sure you cover every part of your chicken thighs. Then cover and put in the fridge for a couple of hours. I'm basting a little pan, take my chicken out of the fridge where it's been resting for a couple of hours and just lay it out in my pan. This is the simplest, tastiest and quickest way to cook some jerk chicken. Turn your oven to 180 degrees and put it in for about 35 to 45 minutes. After that time, you should start to see the jerk chicken just start to char up. The smell that comes out of the oven is absolutely amazing. And that's it, you're ready to serve. Sweet, smoky, spicy flavour. Perfection.